Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast, Napoleon Macro. We have to do an update on QS. Yeah, it appears that this market is getting ready to make a pretty interesting, if not substantial, move to the downside. We're going to get into the reason why. Going to get into the technicals. I'm going to pull up our last video. So we'll get into it. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Let's not waste time and dive right into the charts here. So, all right, so today's July the 12th, 2021, and the current price of QS, $24.25, slightly negative 3.3% for the day. Okay. Welcome back, ASMR, interesting analysis. Pardon or enjoy any noise in the background. Mother Nature, here's a chart. Okay, so yeah, I found a new falling wedge. Now, I realized on our last video, let's just kind of take a quick visit to our last video. So here it is where we had the critical range of between $26 down to $21. So it's kind of actually like perfectly within that range. If we were to just kind of pull up the range again. So yeah, it's 24. So between 21 and 26. Yeah, so the first reason why I'm saying that there could be a substantial move down is because if this is in fact a falling wedge, then obviously the market has been finding support. Resistance, support, yeah, see, resistance, support, resistance. So yeah, unfortunately that seems like a pretty substantial move down, guys. It's definitely in the teenage numbers there. We'll get into those targets in just one second. But the other reason why I say this market actually may break down is because you guys know what I look for, right? Support and resistance and patterns. The previous level of support, guys, unfortunately was right around there, and we just got to close below that level on the weekly candle. So of course, when you close a candle below that level, unfortunately, guys, yeah. So that's actually not the candle that I just circled, but it's actually this candle on this weekly July the 6th kind of confirms that the market just kind of took a step down, so to speak. So now this candle may be the one that's going to follow through to the downside. Pure speculation. If I am wrong, of course, the comment section is always open. Just say, hey, Napoleon, you were wrong. We're at like $40 now, guys, because we still have that same price target. I think it was like $40, like $43, because like if we back out, like from a macroscopic standpoint, that's a previous level of resistance, like from the higher time frames. So at some point, when this market turns around, I think there will likely be a bounce. But right now, the market is suggesting that it wants to move lower for two reasons. The reason that I just showed you, that the market just closed a weekly candle below the previous level of support. I can't make that up. And also because I think I potentially found this falling wedge pattern. Let's get to the price targets potentially. I know, bulls. Maybe it's incorrect, guys. I hope I'm incorrect about it. We're not invested, by the way. We still waiting to pull that trigger, but still haven't seen an opportunity. We're getting close. $16, unfortunately. Yeah. If it happens this week, we have about 4 days and 2 hours to close on this active weekly candle that you're looking at. If it takes a little bit longer, then the descending line changes with price. And let's just say it happens next week. Pure speculation. Could it get as low as $15.31? Okay, so just be prepared for any moves to the downside, whether it's a drop or not. This will probably be a pretty nice drop, right? It's about 30% approximately to the downside from the current level. So if you're out there holding options, yeah, that premium is going to poof with the wind. But that's pretty much all I have, guys. Let's give this another 2 weeks. Let's see if it actually breaks down. Maybe it'll explode. I'm not sure, actually, but the chart is suggesting that it just closed below the support line that held support for like, what is that, 6, 7, 8, 9, excuse me, 9 to 8 weeks. Just kind of counting this clustered area of weekly candles here. Just got to close below that level, guys. So I don't know. No. This isn't ideal for the bulls, guys. The bulls need to like pull a rabbit out of the hat and explode, or else, yeah, down she goes. And it has to happen this week. So yeah, this week. I know we said 2 weeks, but yeah, if they break up back above this level at about $25.60 doesn't happen this week, expect the market to move lower. So in summary, okay, yes, we're eventually expecting to move higher, but the market is under pressure right now. If this week the market cannot break back above and close above $25.60, then expect the market to move lower. Okay? Again, we got 4 days and 2 hours to close on this active weekly candle. All right, so let's close it out, guys. That's it. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video. I said that kind of weird. Pardon my voice, guys. It's a little under the weather. Also, if you're new, we covered the alternative markets, Bitcoin, altcoins. Kindly subscribe to the bell. We'll send you that information when it's available. Thank you for your time. Ladies and gentlemen, be kind out there. Execute your strategies. We'll talk soon, and bye for now.